Indonesian traditional cake I got from bazaar. Let's start with our flower steamed cake. It looked like a flower though. This is like very rare for Indonesian cake that not to be steamed but smoked. It's salty. I don't know why. Open this. Lemper rice, white rice, and a coconut in it. Greasy coconut. And they wrap it with banana leaf, which is basically very common in Indonesia. Like we eat a lot of things with banana leaf as a plate, as a to wrap, as a wrapping. It's sweet, salty. Not really my type. You know, I love kue pandan so much, and like the cheese was great. This one called Nagasari is a white flour, kind of a sticky pudding, and again with a banana leaf because we use banana leaf for basically everything. It tastes like bubur sum. It have corn inside it. 7 out of 10. And I'm not sure what is this, but I see it a lot. It's my first time. I don't like it. My favorite.